garden and a $500 investment. He learned how to manage bees, harvest honey, and build healthy colonies. No fancy degree, just once the system was running, the honey started flowing. Pure, organic, high-quality honey. Something people didn't just sell honey. He built a brand. Local markets, online orders, repeat customers. And slowly, it scaled from side hustle to $41K per month business. The secret? Start small, stay consistent, scale smart. Would you try this? Comment honey if yes.